So if you're into side loading, you also can install APK files that are basically Android-based apps. So I have APK Pure right here installed, and it's basically an app store for Android-based apps. So if you are interested in side loading, this is a possibility. You just have to side load APK Pure, and you have a whole app store right here of different apps you can install as long as the app is compatible with running on your headset. You're able to download it. So that's one. Also, SideQuest is another one. It's basically the same thing. These are more VR based games though that you can side load. And side loading basically is just you installing software that isn't through Meta. So it's not the official store. And when I say the official store, I'm talking about this one. These are like the official games that Meta has made for this headset, because I'm using a Meta Quest headset. So would be the official game store that I would get apps from. But if I want to side load, like I said, I would install these. Oh, here's another one, Up to Down App Store. Basically the same thing. So I can just install just about anything. Like I said, as long as it is compatible with my headset, I can install it. And I think, let me see, F-Droid's another one. This one's not as they don't have as many on this one compared to the ones I just showed, but it is it still has decent different apps you can install. Let me see. And I think, oh wait, no, I have one more. Where's it at? Aurora, I think is how you say it. Where is it at? There it is. Aurora store. There's another one. There's different a lot of different stores you can side load. Yeah, so here's another one. Each one has their own, gallery, I guess. Typically they have basically the same apps across the board, but some vary. But like I said, you can side load certain apps like Chat GPT. I put on here just because something, what the fuck, Google Play enabled. Okay, so sometimes certain apps will need Google Play services for them to run. I guess that is one of them. So Threads, for example, I side loaded. This is actually for Meta, so I guess it works. I side loaded Thunderbird, which is just email. Edge, Microsoft Edge, I side loaded. So yeah, I believe I side loaded this one too. But yeah, so you're able to side load, and then you know the capabilities of what you're able to do with your headset. You can just do different stuff.